Oh, hi again, everybody. Here we are. It's the beginning of September in 2022, and my latest project is to take some dirt and to level it out up against our tarp, what I call my tarp shed. This is a Shelter Logic shed that's 28 feet long by about 14 feet or so wide and 15 feet high. What I wanted to do is I tried planting some flowers up against it this season, and it didn't turn out very well. So what I've done with the tractor is I've used my 54-inch bucket on the tractor, and I've dumped 5 loads of pretty full loads of dirt here. So what I want to do now is go ahead and level all this out and clear off these spent flowers now, and see what I can do about getting this ready for next season. Okay, so let's take a look and see how that goes. Okay, so I've got my helmet on, my ear protection. I'm going to go ahead and hop up on the tractor. This is one extra little thing I've put onto the tractor to put this side step on here. It will work with my 62-inch mid-mount mower, and it works really good. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and hop up here on my tractor, make sure he's in neutral, ready to start. All right, and with that, I think I can get the rest of that with what we call the ground rake or landscaper's rake, and just smooth that out, get some seed going in there for next year. Plan on moving those cleums closer up to the shed. I'll clear off those weeds, and hopefully that'll help you decide what you can do with your tractor. I was using the float mechanism on the bucket. That's where when you just take the control and just snap it forward, you can see it just floats down like that. The reason why I like doing that is it doesn't put any extra down pressure onto the edge of the blade or the bucket, and it seems like it does most of the work just fine. All right, well, thanks everybody. See you next time. Bye.